Hi, Deadlock's here again, and we have an issue. So that big chunk of rust that I got off these on that point there has these two very hard black marks that just aren't coming off. It turns out that is a thing called black rust that I didn't even know existed. It is a kind of rust that you get in a low oxygen environment that has some moisture in it. So under a nice chunk of rust like what was there that starved this rust of oxygen, and it is really hard. The vinegar's doing now, so I'll give it a go with that and see what happens. Okay, so the instructions say put some on the rusty bit. Also got some in there with a brush. It actually says the brush that's built in, but it doesn't have a brush built in, but I expected that because a lot of the reviews said that. So I organised a brush here. There it is. We have a brush, and I'm going to try and keep them on top of this bit of paper. Need to go over it every half an hour for up to 3 hours, and confusingly it says if that hasn't worked, just keep doing it. So yeah, there's that, and it is a lovely slime green. So that's what give some of this. Okay, so after the first half hour, wipe it all off. Gotta be honest, to me nothing looks any better. Give it a quick scrub of that. Okay, the normal rust. It's made a decent job of that. Oh yeah, normal rust come off pretty good. Except for there, which hasn't.
It's probably going to take multiple layers and multiple layers of it.
And the black rust still 100% the same. You can see the difference other places. Not there. So round two, and be back in a bit. Right, it's actually a good bit of time later because it turned out I wasn't as well as I thought I was. All good now though, but I did get a few quotes onto this and it made no difference, and because we've sat around waiting for a while, surface rust's back. I'm not going to get overly concerned about it though, but I'll have to come up with a new plan for that. If you're wondering why I've got that side covered, it's because I started doing more on this side while I was ill, and I don't want you to see how badly it's gone or how well it's gone. I'll have to find that out in a later video. Anyway, I'll be back with another one trying to deal with that.